Saw quite a bit of rain this weekend, and Caroline, we're not quite done yet.
No, we're not quite done yet. In fact, today, just seeing light rainfall, but tomorrow and Wednesday, we've got a low flood threat across Houston. Let's talk about it because you're going to want that umbrella handy every single day this week. Storm Tracker 2 radar right now, pretty quiet within Harris County, but you can see just to our west from Sealy through Columbus and LaGrange, this is where we're tracking light to moderate rain showers. These are going to be pushing through, which means through the day today, expect to see on and off rain showers really throughout southeast Texas. You can also see some of those wet roads between Huntsville and Madisonville along the North Freeway there. These showers continuing to drift on through. Now, once we head through the afternoon today, we're actually expecting another surge of moisture through the overnight period. You can see satellite and radar, these showers moving in from the west, and there's a tremendous amount of moisture out there. This is going to allow for some heavier downpours once we get to the overnight hours and lasting into the day on Tuesday. In fact, both Tuesday and Wednesday, we're putting an 80 and 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Both days is coming with a low flood threat, but that means you will have the possibility of encountering a flooded roadway. That's probably going to be our highest concern as those rain chances continue with us. Now, I do want to stress it's not a washout. We're talking rounds of rainfall every day over the next several days. But Andy, Brittany, I've got much more on our rain chances and timeline coming up.
Caroline, thank you. Now,
because we had such heavy rainfall over the weekend, it actually increases our flood threat over the next few days because the soil's already pretty saturated in a lot of spots. I mean, I want to show you how much rainfall came down. You'll notice over the last few days, especially closer to the metro, several spots seeing 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. This was mainly from the weekend, Pasadena up to Crosby. That's where we saw a tremendous amount of rain. Some spots nearly 3 inches of rainfall. When the soil is already saturated, any additional rainfall can quickly lead to runoff. And that's one of the reasons why we're tracking the possibility of some flooding later on this week. Right now, Storm Tracker 2 radar showing primarily light rain showers pushing through Harris County. You can also see some more moderate downpours from Sealy over towards Columbus. We've got lightning turned on, but right now not seeing any lightning, which means mainly just moderate downpours. Continuing up to the North College Station over towards Huntsville, you can see those showers drifting on through. And as we go through the day today, mainly just going to be those light rain showers. It's not going to be until we get into the day tomorrow and Wednesday that those rain chances really start to ramp up. Satellite and radar, you can see this huge swath of rain. This is going to continue to push its way to the east, bringing with it more widespread rain chances. So through the rest of the day today, mainly just isolated showers out there, sprinkles, the possibility for the occasional moderate downpour, incredibly hit or miss. And then as we head through the overnight hours, a surge of moisture is going to allow for heavier downpours. That means I would absolutely plan for extra time for that Tuesday morning commute. Meteorologist Justin Stapleton, he'll be live through the morning tracking these showers and thunderstorms 6 a.m. looking to be a mess. The concern here is going to be the possibility for isolated flooded out streets. Continuing through the day on Tuesday, not a total washout, but periods of heavy downpours through the day. That'll continue through the lunchtime hour and even into the afternoon and evening, which means all day on Tuesday, you'll need to stay weather aware, keep that umbrella with you, and plan on extra time. That flash flood risk is with us both tomorrow and on Wednesday. This means you need to stay weather aware as we're going to be staying active. But as we look ahead towards the weekend, rain chances trend down. Brittany, Andy, only to a 20% chance for the MS 150 bike race.
Going to be a busy week, though. Okay, Caroline, thank you. Now